Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up earnings calendar tracking with MarketWatch detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up earnings calendar tracking with MarketWatch, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the MarketWatch website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Type in earnings calendar and press enter. This will take you to the earnings calendar section. Here, you'll see a list of upcoming earnings reports. To customize the calendar, look for filters or options available on the page. Select the date range that interests you. You can choose to view earnings for specific sectors or industries if desired. Next, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the calendar. Each entry typically shows the company name, report date, and time. Click on any company name for additional details about their earnings report. If you want to stay updated on your favorite companies, consider saving them. To do this, create an account on MarketWatch if you haven't done so already. Log into your account and go back to the earnings calendar. Find the companies you want to track. Click the Add to Watch List option next to each company. This will allow you quick access to their earnings reports in the future. To receive alerts, check for notification settings in your account. Ensure that email alerts are enabled for earnings announcements. Now, navigate to the Markets tab on the home page. Here, you can find more tools and resources to enhance your tracking. These can help you stay informed on market trends. Finally, revisit the earnings calendar regularly to stay updated. This will ensure you never miss an important earnings report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.